Hey guys, this is Boomy, and I have some amazing, really exciting news. So, if you have been following my videos for wellness in reference to O2 Worldwide, listen up closely. I'm going to let you all in on a little secret. I'm not going to tell you everything, but I'm going to drop some hints. Now, we are having a major bombshell product launch in the beginning of November. That's right. You know about O2 drops. You know about Thrive. You may know about Daybreak and Nightfall, but something so huge that it is going to shake up the industry is coming to O2 Worldwide. I can't divulge and tell you what it is, but I promise you. Well, let me drop some more hints. So it has to do with detoxing. If you have any issues like digestive issues and irritable bowel syndrome and all kinds of things like that, it's going to help with that. But mostly people are into losing fat. And if you want to drop 5 pounds in 5 days and do some amazing things that get that belly fat off of you, you need to stay tuned for what's coming, right? It's going to shake up the industry. I promise you, this is not hype. And people are going to be clamoring, coming to you if you are an O2 Worldwide representative to get this product. So that's all I'm going to say. Get excited. And I'm telling you, for those of you who are already in O2, when people are posting about this on their Facebook, people are saying, I want some. Even my own daughter was like, when is it coming? How much is it going to be? I need this. That was so funny. I mean, nothing I've ever posted has had her saying, Mommy, I want some of your products like this. And I haven't even told them, just dropping these hints. So the market is ready for this. People are going to be so excited about this. I'm telling you, they're going to be knocking down your door to get this. I promise you, Bunmi Moore does not hype stuff. I just know what the deal is, right? And I'm telling you what the deal is. So get positioned. So we have some awesome leaders like Randy Steen, he's just been dropping hits to people and they're so excited about this. He's been pre-building for the launch and people have been joining him every day, just signing up. These are exciting times. So that's all I'm going to tell you. Call me if you just say, hey, Boomy. People already been saying, Boomy, put me on the list. I want to be the first to know what this is. I want to be on this call when you all talk and announce this product. So hit me up, 443-864-9440. Again, 443-864-9440. And you may call and say, Boomy, please tell me what it is. I'm not going to tell anybody. Well, we'll see if I tell you or not. But call me. I'll add you to the list so at least you can be first to know. If you want to be first to order, hey, I'll put you down. First come, first serve for that. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys in on that little secret. O2 Worldwide, major bombshell product launch coming soon to you in the first week of November. All right? See you guys. Bye-bye.